Hello everyone, it's Sharon from sharonatsea Travel, and I am back with day 4 of my travel hacks for the month of December. As you may know by now, I am doing travel hacks daily for the entire month of December. So let's get started. I have 3 hacks for you today, or tips. I don't know. I feel like they're kind of the same thing. You tell me out there, what do you think? If are tips and hacks similar to you or not? Anyways, they are about packing this time. I am going to go, for the next 3 videos, I'm going to talk all about packing and give you some fun tips or hacks about packing. So number 1 is, before you close up that luggage, put a dryer sheet in your luggage. It will keep your clothing smelling fresh when you go to open it up and take things out. Sometimes luggage sits for a couple days with travels before you even open it up, and things can kind of get a little musky and maybe not have the best smell. So this will keep things smelling fresh, just as if they came out of the dryer. And did you know it also will reduce static as well in your clothing? Number 2, when you put your luggage tag on the outside of your luggage, with your name, address, or phone number and such, your contact information in case your luggage gets lost, well, don't forget to put one on the inside as well. We usually take, just type out our name, address, phone number, email on a piece of paper, and we tape it to the inside of our luggage. That way, if it should get lost, our luggage tag falls off and no one knows where the luggage belongs. If someone should open it up, the airlines will usually open it up and try to figure out if there's any information of who it belongs to, and if so, they will find that and they will know exactly who to contact to get the luggage back, and our luggage will not be missing. So that's a great tip. Just remember to put your info on the inside of your luggage as well as the outside. And number 3, last but not least, when you are packing for your trip, make sure you pack a few things in your carry-on and not everything in your checked luggage. Like, we always pack maybe an extra outfit, a swimsuit if you're going to a destination where you're going to be needing a swimsuit, maybe a cover-up, maybe some sleepwear and things, but put at least an extra change of clothing in your carry-on bag, because if you should get to your destination and maybe your luggage is detained or they just can't find it for a couple of days, at least you have something to get by for a couple of days so that you're not miserable and you can still enjoy your vacation. And that way, that'll get you going a couple days, then either hopefully your luggage will arrive or you'll have a chance to go out and buy a few new things. So there you go. That was my 3 travel tips or hacks for today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because I have a lot more tips coming your way. In fact, I'll have more packing tips for you tomorrow. So stay tuned. See you then.